Stephen Fenech from Tech Guide with you again, and today we're talking about the new GoPro Hero 10 Black. It's a great time to be buying a GoPro right now. It's a big improvement over the Hero 9. Might look the same as Hero 9, but all the improvements are under the hood. The GP2 processor, a system on a chip, is what powers the new action camera, and all the frame rates have basically doubled. So if you want to look at it in those terms, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is twice as good in terms of frame rate as the GoPro Hero 9. Okay, so let's compare them side by side. We've got the Hero 9 Black and the Hero 10 Black. Now, the Hero 10 Black can capture 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, 4K video at 120 frames per second, and 2.7K video at 240 frames per second. Now, if you look back at the GoPro Hero 9, it could capture 5.3K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 60 frames per second, and 270K at 120 frames per second. So that's twice as good as what you can get with the GoPro Hero 9. So the Hero 10 Black is a leap forward. Design wise, as you can see, it's pretty much identical to the Hero 9. The only difference is that the Hero 10 now has blue lettering on the front and also on the side. But the 9, in terms of the size and shape, is identical. They're both exactly the same. They also include the same built-in folding mounting fingers as well, so that you can easily attach that to any number of mounts. And of course, it's rugged and waterproof up to 10 meters without the need for a protective case. Do you remember when you used to have to use this with your GoPro? Do you remember that when you had your Hero 3 or Hero 4 and you had to pack this inside this protective case? Well, how far have we come? So we can take all of that aside, and the GoPro Hero 10 is already waterproof, just with this, no other protective case. It has been that way for quite a few years with the recent models, but haven't they come a long way? Of course, what sets the GoPro Hero 10 Black apart from any other action camera, including last year's, is the new Hypersmooth 4.0. Now, this really takes the shakes out of your videos, and you consider where you're putting this thing, whether it's on a surfboard, on a skateboard, on your bike, wherever you want to go, it really does a great job in taking out those shakes. So even when riding on a rough road or driving on a rough road, wherever you happen to be, it can really smooth out your images, which is exactly what a device like this is meant to do. Even though it's quite small, it does pack in so many features and so much capability in this tiny little chassis. Of course, you still get the same rear screen on the GoPro Hero 10 Black and also the same front screen. Let's take a look. You still get the same front screen as you got with the GoPro Hero 9. This is the Hero 9 Black, and here's the Hero 10. So basically both devices are the same size, same front screen. So that way, that allows you then to frame yourself up on the GoPro right in front of you. So the older GoPros without that front screen, you had to frame it up and hopefully you're getting everything in the frame. But now with that front facing camera, just makes it a hell of a lot easier to be able to picture yourself literally on that front screen and then be able to make sure that your framing's correct before you hit that record button. And it's not all just about video. If still images are what you're after, the GoPro Hero 10 Black can still capture stills at up to 23 megapixel resolution. Everything about the GoPro Hero 10 Black is faster thanks to the GP2 processor. That means you can get around the menus, the rear touch panel and the touch zoom is a lot faster. So it's a lot easier to scroll through your menus and get shooting. The other improvement to the GoPro Hero 10 Black is the new protective lens cover, which has a hydrophobic water shedding design. Now, I'm sure plenty of you have taken your GoPro into the water and then noticed later on your footage that there are little droplets on the lens. Well, now that's a thing of the past thanks to this new coating on the lens. So any water that is present will actually run off it, so it's not going to interfere with your videos. The other thing that's faster about the GoPro Hero 10 Black is your content transfer. It is much faster. And there's 3 ways of getting your content off the device. First is wirelessly transferring it to your phone. The second is a new wired transfer to your device. But now there is cloud uploads, and now it automatically, when it's connected and when it's charging and powered up, it can automatically upload all of your files to the cloud so you can get hold of them and start editing. With the cloud transfer, it does make a lot of sense to have a subscription because you have unlimited storage of all your footage at their highest quality up in the cloud. So when this is connected and charging, it automatically transfers all of your content to the cloud and frees up all that space then on your phone. The GoPro Hero 10 Black is priced at $599.95 Australian dollars when you take out a 1-year GoPro subscription. Without that subscription, the cost goes up to $749.95 Australian dollars. So the message is, I think, get that subscription. It does make the camera cheaper. And if you're an existing subscriber and you want to upgrade to the Hero 10 Black, you will get it at that $599.95 price. GoPro has gotten rid of all of the plastic in their packaging, and it now comes in this nifty little travel case. So not only can you put the new camera in this case, you can also fit all your mounts and accessories as well. And when you zip it all up, it's in a nice little protective case for you to take anywhere. So that's it, the GoPro Hero 10 Black. If you love your action cameras, then you can't go past this new device. If you want to read our complete review, check it out at techguide.com.au. Thanks for watching.